Online tutor or teacher. There are many disciplines requiring tutorial assistance. Generally speaking, these boil down to science, math, and English. If you are good with written English or spoken English, you can become an online tutor. 2 types of tutoring platforms. If you're looking to tutor people through the internet, please understand that there's really only 2 platforms for this. You have to choose wisely, otherwise you might not make much money as an online tutor. Type number 1, go through an online agency. The great thing about signing up for an online tutoring agency is that they will find clients for you. You don't have to worry about finding a student. Your main worry is to get accepted into an online tutoring platform. Type number 2, go your own way. The alternative to using an agency is to go your own way. In other words, you put up your own website and you market your online teaching and tutoring services directly. The great thing about this approach is you get to charge more money. Remember, when you're using any kind of agency, you are splitting the fee with the agency. Unfortunately, in an agency environment, they set the fee. If the fee is very low so as to make their services more affordable, guess who takes the hit? That's right, you do. So when you market directly to your potential students, you earn more money and you keep more money. Another advantage is you don't have to worry about personality and temperament issues because, ultimately, you either convince the student to hire you or you don't. You don't have to go through some sort of bureaucracy or attitude test. The downside to going your own way is that you have to know how to market online. You may have to spend a lot of money on Facebook ads and Google search ads to get customers. If you don't know what you're doing with online marketing, you might end up paying too much money only to have very little to show for it.